Get ready, Samsung lovers, because there have been a lot of leaks and new developments today. The majority of the information regarding the Galaxy S24 series has been exposed via a variety of leaks and speculations. According to Roland Quant, Samsung plans to sell 2 new fast chargers for its Galaxy handsets, with an enhanced 45-watt power adapter and a new 50-watt dual charger expected to appear. Samsung is reportedly planning to sell 2 new fast chargers separately from the Galaxy S24 phones, one of which is a 50-watt dual charger called the Charger Duo that can charge 2 devices at the same time, but Samsung phones currently charge at a maximum of 45 watt, and it's expected that the Galaxy S24 will have the same limit, or even 25 watt for the basic model. In addition, Samsung is releasing a new version of its 45-watt charger. We don't know what's new about it yet, but it will most certainly be launched with the new phones. Spare components for the Galaxy S24 have already been shipped to repair facilities throughout the world. The Galaxy S24 battery costs €68, while the front and rear cameras cost €69 and €99, respectively. Individually, the front glass replacement is €175 and the rear glass is €72. The front camera replacement is €75 and the rear camera is more costly at €105, and repairing the lens covers for the rear cameras is €45. The most costly model in the series, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, is expected to cost €1,449 for the 256GB version, €375 if the screen has to be replaced, €199 for the front glass panel, and €48 for the rear glass panel. Replacement for the front camera might cost €66 while the rear camera could cost €150. The extreme case, which might be constructed of more costly titanium, is priced at €350 for replacement, which is much more than the S24, which is €233, and the S24 Plus, which is €243. All additional elements, such as the metal casing, NFC charging connection, loudspeaker, microphone, proximity sensor, fingerprint reader, light sensor, power button, volume buttons, vibration motor, and Wi-Fi module, are priced separately and are available on the internet. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.